Welcome to Technia TV. I am Dr. Shambhu Saran Gupta, Assistant Professor in Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today we will discuss about TRP, that is television rating points. We know television rating points is a well-known parameter for a television. People usually talk about TRPs of television or a particular show. Television rating points TRPs has been an area which has witnessed much deliberation in recent years. Television rating is an important currency that assists broadcasters, advertisers, and advertising agencies in determining their ads with proper placement and program schedules. The correlation between TRPs and changing nature of media content and their adverse impact on society has been often highlighted by a variety of forums. Television rating points are the criterion that indicates the popularity of channel or program and assist advertisers in making business decisions. It assists broadcasters, advertising agencies, and advertisers in determining their ad spend, ad placement, and program schedules, widely expected as the currency for both buyers and sellers of television advertising. It is highly relevant considering that within the television industry, 34% Indian rupees 88 billion of revenues come from advertising. The total size of the Indian media and entertainment industry is Indian rupees 587 billion in the comparison of television industry, that is Indian rupees 257 billion, and contributes 44% share of the entire media and entertainment revenue. TRPs have impact on advertising expenditure decision as advertisers have numerous channel option to choose from, and their decision are based on the released by the rating agencies, which reflect the ranking of popular TV programs and dislike. They are have indirect influence on content scheduling on a program as well as pricing of channels. False, misleading, or inaccurate rating can affect not only broadcasters and advertisers but also the interests are the viewing public. The veracity and reliability of the rating agencies and TRPs therefore becomes very significant in changing media environment where there is potential for very specific and targeted media campaigns. Marketing departments are under great pressure to prove the effectiveness of their ad spends. Not only is selection of media vehicle but content, timing, and placement of ads important to reach out to the potential target groups, making them an invaluable part of any campaign. When advertisers want a commercial to reach a large audience, they need to place it in TV programs which capture maximum audience size. The more audience as a program draw, that is the higher the TRPs of a program, the higher the value of the commercial airtime. In view of that, TRPs become to backbone and one of the most vital variables for any media plan. Hence, the amount charged for advertising is usually a negotiated rate per thousand viewers multiplied by the audience estimate. TRPs, television rating points, is a tool provided to judge which programs are viewed the most. This gives us an index of the choice of the people and also the popularity of a particular channel. For calculation purpose, a device is attached to the TV set in a few thousand viewers, a house for judging purpose. These numbers are treated as sample from the overall TB owners in different geographical and demographical sectors. The device is called as a people meter. It records the time and the program that a viewer watches on a particular day. Then the average is taken for a 30-day period which give the viewership status for a particular channel. But I want to know how to calculate this TRPs. What is the mechanism of procedure to calculate the TRPs? Television rating points TRP is the viewership rating for a period of 30 days. In India, in time, Indian television audience measurement is the only electronic rating agency which determines TRPs. The results are used by advertisers to make their advertisements more popular among masses and by media channels to plan their show timing. Let me now tell to how InTime calculates TRPs. In current scenario, all survey and rating agencies uses two important methods for TRPs. Number one, traditional methods. The first method is that the agency install people meter, an electronic device that automatically records the frequency of channels watched. In some households, this sample of households is small, only 5,500 houses, and is selected by time in order to represent actual national demographics like income group, marital status, gender, and age. However, a small sample is doubted to represent the countrywide viewership. Hence, Doordarshan uses its own rating system called DART, Doordarshan Audience Ratings, in which the executives personally collect data from larger sample of households on weekly basis. The traditional method is also known as frequency monitoring technique. The frequencies recorded in the people meter are later decoded into channel names and a national viewership. Rating on TRP is generated. There are two drawbacks here. First, the people meters are quite expensive and are imported from abroad. Second, the cable operators frequently change the frequencies of channels before transmitting the signals. Thus, the rating become unreliable. TRP is equal to reach among target audience percentage multiply average frequencies. Second or next modern method. Using this method, a specific signal is transmitted along with video signals through satellite channels. The video signals are transmitted at particular intervals and hence this method is also known as picture monitoring technique. Every channel signal is decoded at the in-time station and the TRPs are generated. Television rating point is the criterion that indicates the popularity of a channel or program. A program name with higher TRP refers to large number of viewers. This data is very useful for the advertisers because advertisers want to place their advertisement during program with higher TRPs. It is the criteria of which ad rates for a program is decided. A television program or a commercial sent off over the air from a satellite to a TV set and is available for viewing by millions of viewers. So how does one know the actual number of people viewing a particular program? In time, Indian television audience measurement is the electronic rating agencies functioning in India who manages all this people meter. Is an electronic device installed in sample homes that record data about the channel watched by the family members, and the agency prepares a national data based on this reading. It is a tool which is used to judge the programs with higher TRPs. I hope you understand all these topics. For more videos like and subscribe Technia TV. Thank you.